In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files that's already on your Samsung, which is this one, and launch it. Now click on those three lines at the top left corner and then hit the download section. Select OK. And as you can see, after a few seconds I can access all of my downloaded files gathered in one place. If you want to see those only for a chosen source, click on it on the right. I only have Chrome. Now, to open one of your files, tap on it and pick one of those apps, in my case Gallery or Photos. After tapping on the chosen one, decide if you want to open this type of file using this app just once or always. Now, to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom or those three dots at the top right corner. To manage multiple files at once, hold one, then select all over here, or simply click on your files you wanna manage and use those options at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!